Hello world, guys, it's beautiful afternoon today, beautiful weather finally, no rainy, and exclusively today we came to Uluwatu to Dreamland beach. This place have a lot of stories around, however we have something more interesting to talk today about. And well, it's actually very nice over here, right?
Yeah, and then the beautiful sunshine because previous days I think that the weather is really changed a lot. I mean, like, and in the afternoon you can see rain a lot, but now it's beautiful day that will be beautiful sunset. So yeah, let's go to Dreamland beach, and you see, busy.
Busy already, many surfers around and many international tourists from all around the world came to Bali already. So let's see. So basically it's about 20 minutes to sunset, so many surfers around, many of them they coming back already, some of them they going in. I'm not sure how does it work, I'm not a surfer. The resort over there, it's called Scalapa Resort if I'm not mistaken, and so many people enjoying the beach. Also there's the little cliff where some people already coming to watching the sunset. Meanwhile the beach is actually very clean, very nice, and seems like a lot of kids in the water as well. Anyways, nowadays there's so many things on the internet. Actually, I'm trying not to following any news, but this news, especially in this part of the world, is so popular, right?
Yeah.
Everybody talking about that, so...
Okay guys, so we've got so many message in Instagram, and then we also got so many message by email regarding to the foot and mouth disease. And then I read one interesting news, because many viewers sent us about this news in news.com Australia. Maybe I can share you later on the screen. It says that foot and mouth disease, travelers returning from Bali urged to leave clothes, shoes behind. So this is the news that coming from Australia basically. Yeah, guys, we just open discussion for you. So I know that our viewers are not only coming from Australia, but viewers also coming from Europe, coming from America, coming from Africa, and coming from any other countries in Asia. But let's open discussion. Let's talk about this. Do you have any travel warning issues regarding to foot and mouth disease, just like what Australian government did? What's your thinking? You can share your thought, you can share your opinion in the comment section. So we know that, is it only in Australia they publish the news like this, or maybe in your country, in Europe, or maybe in your country in America or in Asia, it's the same, like publishing about travel warning regarding to foot and mouth disease.
Meanwhile, the problems of this one is this one, but meanwhile we are watching beautiful sunset in Uluwatu, guys. Bali sunsets are really beautiful, you have to agree. We're gonna show you a little bit of the beach now.
And then this area is in the Dreamland area, is famous for the resort area in Uluwatu long time ago, and now I think that there are still some resorts are still operating, and then some of the resorts over there already bankruptcy. Yeah, when the tourism already open, and I think that behind the Scalapa Resort, still exists. So yeah, now we will just take you stroll around here and to see how is the life in the Dreamland, because Dreamland is actually family-friendly beach, and then I can see that many kids already swim by the water. And yeah, on the way here we also saw over there actually the art shop already opening, and then one restaurant over there is also already opening, and behind me, as you see, there are many umbrellas, like rent umbrellas and chairs, so people just enjoying their time, enjoying the beautiful sunset will be. The weather is beautiful, it's not that too hot and it's not that too humid, but yeah, what I can say, it's very nice.
So you know now already enough about the Dreamland beach. Let me know in the comment section which beach is favorite for you in Bali, especially in Uluwatu. Or maybe have you ever been in Uluwatu? For us, definitely, I like Melasti beach is number one, and Suluban beach where is the single fin. When I was on my birthday video, I really like it. Yes, what do you like? Maybe different?
Yeah, for me, I like Melasti more. And then because in Melasti I can swim. Oh yeah, I like Dreamland, this beach, even though the history behind this beach is really heartbreaking,
Art directing history, we actually talk about this one. You can Google about it. In my library of my videos on YouTube, we mentioned it there many times.
Yeah, the history behind this Dreamland beach is so heartbreaking for me. But yeah, I mean, like for the beach, I mean, so clean and also easy to, you know, access. So yeah.
Meanwhile, the sunset time, just literally right now, some surfers coming back before dark. It is very beautiful. It's actually very clean right now. You're not gonna find any rubbish on the beach. That's nice.
Even though, you know, some of people also prefer Bingin Beach. Bingin Beach is actually over there, you know, with so many hotels, I think, or homestays, something like that. But for me, I prefer Dreamland because it's, you know, very easy access. You don't need to go down, you know, to the cliff and walk to the stairs. No, just easy. Sand also is very clean, white sand beach and soft. So nice.
And for some other chaps, the different beach is Balangan Beach, especially for the surfers. Well, I heard that. Yeah, it's like many options actually around. Also, it's Pandava, we forgot to mention.
Yes,
but
yes.
Pandava was popular for the tourists. So it's pretty
So-
many beaches in Uluwatu.
Yeah,
And
so-
Yang Beach also very nice. Where is this plane on the top? What I flew drone some time ago, but hard access. So many.
Yeah, now Melasti is easy access and Dreamland is easy access. So yeah, I think that's it for me.
Many options around.
Okay guys, so right behind me over there, I think that this is the brand new hotels actually in the area of the Dreamland Resort. As you know, like there are many resorts in Dreamland area such as Kelapa Resort and then Pecatu Indah Resort and then many. I think that some of them already bankruptcy and some of them still exist, just like this one, Kelapa Resort still exists. And behind me, just opening, I think opening few months ago, Jumeirah Resort, that is, if I'm not mistaken, that is the luxurious group of resorts, which is, I think, based in Dubai, something like that. But they also open their branch here in Bali. So, would you like to stay there, maybe for one night or two nights?
So it's only $1,000 per night, guys. But, well, if you can, why not? They just opened not so long ago. And it's brand new, so yeah, I mean, my beautiful sunset.